The other major part of the controller is the encoder. This is the encoder board, and this is encoder connector. This is like VGA cable like that. When the motor is there is a output feedback controller. This is the means the encoder. Encoder is using for when we can when we can hear, we can get the we can adding or we can input a speed, and that speed is specifically there is a working is not or not, and we can rectify from that encoder. Encoder means the closed loop parts it means using for the speed rectification, means the speed is good or not. This is for the major part of the elevator. This encoder is using, this encoder cable is more sensitive, and when every elevators and in every lift, this encoder must be, we can separately connecting or separately wiring from the shaft, not the major cables like the UW cables. We cannot directly cable tie or put it out. This is the when 1 year 2 year after it will be the coming the major issues. So we can using this encoder separately connecting from the shaft. Okay, and this is the input power supply. Input means the x1 to x22, sorry, 24. This is the input. It means the when we can add this input for this is a 24-volt DC power supply, and this is using for the elevators from the shaft input all we can connecting here. Additionally we can tell, I will tell later for the which inputs are adding for these connectors. This is for the, this is input area, this all. Okay, this one, the XCOM X25 X26, this is for using for safety circuit. This is safety circuit means this is when this one is closed, the lift will be working. It means there is a two relay, y1 m1 is a relay, y2 m2 is another relay, and y3 m3 is another relay. These two connectors as for this relay, these two connectors for this relay, these two connectors for this relay. So these connectors for using for output commands. And first output commands y1 and m1 using for brake brake contactor. This is the for two, this is okay.